Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. Let's find out what's in this big old fat bag. If I can get the paper cut or plastic. We have cross stitch. Surprise! Oh, no, just kidding. Hang on. Oh my goodness. Well, this is a big old bag, and this comes from VIPCrossStitch. It is going to be a 2-part review. So the next part will be next Sunday. So give me 2 seconds. All right, I am back, and this is the first one, and it is called Seaside Castle. It is 50 by 50. It was $11.71. Let me just move the other one out of my freeway. I have drills for some reason all over this, and I haven't diamond painted in a couple weeks. All right. So just a minute ago, I went to go and get a better picture of this, and it is no longer available. Also, before I get started, there will be a picture here of the special that they're running right now, and also my 7% off discount code will be running along through here, and I'll have all that information also in the description box. So let's just get started right. Too much information right off the bat, right? So I have no idea why this is not available anymore. I'd never seen it, so not real sure. It does have 36 colors, and it has a very nice pattern. Very easy to read. It's going to be a little bit confetti down through here. Does have the product number up here, and tells you how big it is down here and how many squares per square. So it's 191 by 191 or 50 by 50. Paper pattern will match the canvas. It does have instructions. Nice big pattern for the whole thing, so very easy to see and read. Very clear. I love that part. And this is made by the new company. So, yeah. Why not? I'd never seen this one before, so I figured it was new, but that doesn't mean anything. You know, they have like 1,200 pages of stuff you can go through, so not sure I got through all those. But they always have a lovely selection of just whatever you want to do. Now, they only do cross stitch and embroidery, which is fine. They don't have diamond painting, and I've never not gone there and not found something that I absolutely love. I loved the colors in this, so that's why I got it. Yeah, it does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, and we have either a carp or a koi. Take your pick. Let's take a look at the colors. Now, the colors do come baggaged separately. They are going to be on thread drops this time, but look at the blues already. It does tell you how big it is and the product number, so you can keep it together. And I will keep it together until I get it to its own bag, or these all on one of those rings. Sorry for the crinkle. But look at those blues. Oh, can you ever. Does have a rubber band holding everybody together. Let's give it a shake, shake, shake. Oh, I forgot to tell you what the colors were. Oh my goodness. So we got some kind of an idea. I think 996 is going to be involved. Okay, there is no 823. We do have 550 purple. We have 823. Did I say 823 in the beginning? I meant no, 310 black. We have 823939 for the background. There's your 996. No 3371. And we do have B5200 for the white. There's not too much of that. Well, it doesn't look like there is. Maybe it's, you know, on the background. Why am I showing you that picture? On the background of this, and then around, you know, the white, the shadow and the light from the moon. I can't imagine there being too much, but... Oh, I get it. Yeah, the background is going to... If you want, you can stitch the background. I'm like, how come there's so much B5200? Let's just look at the colors. Sorry, guys. So, B5200. Look at that blue. Can you ever... Oh, just... That's 995. And I believe that is... Nope. It's at 3846 again. They love to fool me every time. There it is. It's right there. 996. So 996, 995, it's a little deeper, darker blue, but good gravy. Can you ever? We even have reds and golds and navy blues and browns and tans, oranges, bright oranges, dark blues. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Trying to get it unfolded. And we even have some dark green. Beautiful. Just stunning colors. We're about to lose our rubber band, and that would be tragic. Kind of counting on it, holding everybody together. All right. Let's get onto that canvas. All right. Get it undone. Nope, it goes this way. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see that it is serged all the way around. Serging does not go into the numbers. Nice big key. I'd say those are almost a ½ inch. I mean, it's more than a quarter. A quarter is about there, so it's got a good... 3/4 of an inch. No, that's not right. Oh, math skills just suck around here. So, yeah, it's about a ½ inch. Very nice. Does have, like I said, that confetti that runs along the bottom and then right through the top. Let me pull it down. And we're attached right through here where all that detail is. You even have some detailing in the moon. Let's take a look and see how big it is. It is 49.5 centimeters. And 52 centimeters or 20.5. Actual picture size is, if I can get everybody to get it together, it's almost 17.5 inches or 44 centimeters that way. It's a big picture. By 17.25 inches or 44 centimeters. So it's kind of big. And like I said, you use that B5200 for the background if you want to do the whole thing. And it's white. If you don't want to do that, just do the picture in the middle. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to waste my time putting down white thread when the background's already white. Unless you want, you know, like a complete full coverage picture. Yeah, very nice. See if I can get this puppy folded again. It's a little bit, and it's kind of stiff, heavy duty, but I like that it's very, let me turn it right side up, sorry. Very clear. Everything's printed correctly. Yay. Moving on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that was an episode last week. Alright, this one is Squirrel and Bird. It is a 40 by 40 and it was $7.83. I know. Alright, let me get this. This has a lovely picture. Isn't he cute? And I like the little bird and the snow and the berries on the tree back there, a little bit on the ground. But yeah, I thought this was precious. If I do have a better picture of this, I'll put it right here. Oh, this is going to be Confetti Manetti. Kind of a small pattern. Does have 36 colors. Very nicely printed. Instructions, just like the last one. Paper pattern will match the canvas. Product number at the top. Down at the bottom, 40 by 40. It's 148 by 148. But look at this one. I can actually tell there's going to be confetti. And that's in those trees to get all that definition. This is, it's not confettied, it's basically the same, let's call it 10 symbols. It's just kind of spread out and around. But yeah, this corner is, yeah, it's a little bit of a, take a deep breath, we got this. All right, colors. We have 154 mulberry, we have 310 black. I'm not seeing any other red colors, but that doesn't mean anything. No 823, no 939, no 3371. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And we're using 3865 for the white. So very nice. God, my eyes itch today. I don't know why. I don't have hay fever. I don't have allergies. Well, allergies to different things, not stuff growing or anything. Growing, freezing, whatever it's doing out there. But very nicely printed, though. Very clear, very easy to see. So I like that. That's awesome. It's awesome when that works out, yeah. Because sometimes, oh my good, moving along. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Yep. Carp, 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Hold, please. Okay, I'm back. The threads do come in a bag, just like the other one. Whoops. Always putting it upside down. How big it is and the product number. Everything matches. And we have a rubber band around our threads. Now this is going to be, I don't know what I want to say, muted colors? Kind of. You got the snow colors, you got the squirrel, you got the little bird, pretty reds, golds. You even have some bright green and some dark red. It's probably 8, what is it? Oh my goodness, 814, 812, I can't remember. I didn't see that. What are 815? I was so close. Sometimes they use 498. There's a brighter red, kind of a bittersweet orange. Very nice indeed. I'm looking for other, oh, there's our other greens. I was right on top of it. So there's kind of a medium green. Very nice indeed. Get it all shook out. They need combs for all these threads, I swear. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Hang on. Take a deep breath. Get it in there. Alright. Done. Alright, now this canvas is a little bit smaller. But yeah, what I was looking at, oh my goodness, I've got to show you this. Look at this. Oh my word. Yeah, I told you it was going to be confettied. Every fourth one is another color. Yes, awesome sauce. Awesome. Yep, it is serged all the way around. The stitching goes just barely grazes the number, but you can still read them. Very nice. I like this because it was one of the smaller ones, so that's why we got it. I think I'd start with the squirrel because I ain't got the stomach to start up there and that confetti. Can't handle it. Not this week. I'm avoiding it like the plague. All right. 15 3/4 inches or 40 centimeters. That's what it said it was going to be. This is 39.5 or 15.5 inches. Actual picture size is approximately 13 inches or 33 centimeters by 34 centimeters or almost 13.5 inches. So yeah, I think it'll be fine if you just do this part up here. Yeah, little by little. This would be easy compared to all that over there. Yeah, Squirrel's got my number. Yeah, I'll do him first. Just 'cause, yeah, it looks so much easier than that. It's like, why, people, why do you do this? Yeah, I don't get it. I don't. So, and that's 3/865 kind of down on the bottom here, and a little bit like scattered right through there. But yeah, no. If you feel like a challenge, start there. That's all I can say. Very nice though. I do like both those kits. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that other one. I don't know why they would have pulled it or what's wrong with it. Maybe it's something that I'm not seeing, like, right off the bat. Now, like I said, they do have only cross-stitch and embroidery, you know, and stitching things. I think they have punch needle as well. They have lots of tools and crafts. They have beaded embroidery. They have custom cross-stitch. And free shipping on orders over $69, unless that's different. I will put all that information in the description box below if that has changed. Yeah. Other than that, thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for these beautiful kits this week. And do join me next Sunday for part 2 of this review. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time. God bless.